2 hours later.
I'm a moose.
I need my clothes.
Moose. Just wear a t-shirt.
Oh, that hurt. Sorry.
The silent film.
Pulling you. Hey, do you like gel in your face? Good. That hurt you?
No.
Ow.
Man down! You're just killing yourself today.
Take a deep breath in.
What?
That was cute. Oh my gosh. See, now you know how I feel when you did that on me.
Did what?
Remember when you hugged me and you went like...
Yeah. What happened now?
Look at
Nothing.
No, I hate that because every time I see one out of the corner of my eye, I'm like, is that person that has thing in his pants? So every time I'm just like, get off. No, I don't want to. I just want one of these belts, so I just like play. Is this a real belt?
No, it's part of it.
Oh, then I don't care.
Alright, are we gonna go?
I need to find